Happy evening, Girija ma'am. How are you?
Evening, Jam. Good evening. I'm good.
Nice to see you. Thanks.
Yeah.
Welcome, Mrs. Girija. Nice to meet you.
Yeah. My pleasure, Purnima. Good follow-up you did. Thank you so much. So, without your permission, I have come with Little Master background.
We are delighted.
A warm good evening to one and all present here. We are here to encourage our little storytellers. Myself, Nitya. I'm going to host this evening today. I welcome you all for the Little Masters Storytelling Contest Grand Finale. We'll be starting this evening with a small invocation song. Please join us. I request all of the attendees, please join us with your videos, please.
गणपति 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 पालय मां गणपति 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 पालय मां गणपति गुणपति गजपति मनपति वरपति सुरपति पालय मां गणपति गुणपति गजपति ममपति वरपति सुरपति पालय मां गणपति बाल गणपति सर्पन गणपति गंभीर गणपति वातापि गणपति 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 पालय मां गणपति गुणपति गजपति ममपति वरपति सुरपति पालय मां गणपति गुणपति गजपति ममपति वरपति सुरपति पालय मां.
Okay, we can move on to the program, Nitya.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. First of all, I take immense pleasure in welcoming our Voxit team, Mr. Shyam Shekhar, who is the founder and CEO of Voxit team. Welcome, sir. Mrs. Purnima, she is a co-founder, and Mr. Shakti Sachdev, who is a co-founder. Voxit is the most trending podcasting app today, which is made in India with the 50,000 plus downloads. Currently, it's going on with 7,500 audios in English, Tamil, and Hindi as well. You know what? Voxit is having a 4.7 Play Store rating today, ma'am. The most exciting part of today's evening is going to be preceded by the most talented personality, Mrs. Girija Raghavan. I welcome you, ma'am.
Thank you.
I call upon Mrs. Purnima to deliver a few words about the chief guest.
Namaste to all of you. It has been a great pleasure to be with all of you, the small kids. I wish this had been a live show. Hopefully the next show will be a live one, but the virtual one too is a very interesting one to see the young ones. So much of enthusiasm from all of you. Now, the most important thing is in today's program is the distribution function, which is going to be prize distribution function, which is going to be done by our chief guest, Mrs. Girija Raghavan. Few words about Mrs. Girija will be a great encouragement to all of us too. So let me deliver a small bit of what I know about Mrs. Girija. Mrs. Girija is a multi-talented, highly versatile, multifaceted woman. She is a journalist, writer, she's an entrepreneur, a person who has been working for women on empowerment for very, very long time. Besides, she is a media personality, a trustee for a trust by name WISE, W-I-S-E, WISE, and she's also a trainer and a coach. She also adds another important task to her accomplishments, which is she is an ad filmmaker too. She is an event planner. Mrs. Girija is an editor and publisher of very, very well-known Tamil magazine, Lady Special, which has been in circulation for over 22 years now. Lady Special magazine, it's not another magazine like Kumudam Ananda Vigadan just like that, but it is a movement. It is a movement for the ladies and by the ladies. Okay. And she has taken women empowerment as a mission in her life, and she has a large army of women supporting her in this. She is a person who has great conviction in our cultural values, heritage, and she has been carrying it forward, giving it to the next generation to the best of her abilities. She has also developed a mobile app by name Gurukul, okay, which has short, beautiful stories from our epics like Mahabharata, Ramayana, and also Panchatantra stories and various other spiritual texts. I take this occasion to invite Mrs. Girija again for today's program. Welcome, ma'am.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, Purnima ma'am. That was an excellent piece of information about her. This will surely inspire us and our kids who belongs to 21st century, Ma'am, now I request you to address our parents and our kids.
Oh, sure. Thank you. Thank you for those nice words about me, Purnima. It motivated me really. Thank you so much, though it was a little long, but still, thank you. You said very nice words about me. My dear friend Shyam, Purnima, and all the other parents and children here, good evening to all of you. It all happened just like that one day when Shyam called me and said that you are going to come as a chief guest to a function. Normally, whatever people ask me to come for any function, before even they finish the sentence, I'll say yes. Because one thing is I like to meet people, new forums, new people, and get to know people and other things. That's how it happened. And really, at the time when I accepted this invitation, I only knew Shyam, and also he's a Rotarian. That's all. But after that, when I start to get to know about Voxit and what you're doing and other things, it's really, really amazing. Extraordinary work, and all my congratulations and appreciations to Mr. Shyam, Purnima, and to the team. Let me put that on record that you're all doing a great, great work for the next generation, which is most needed now. When Purnima said, I asked Purnima, what do I talk? What language I can talk? Purnima said, no, there'll be parents, you can talk to the parents. Even if I consider that they are parents of 2-3-year-old kids, they themselves, they are kids to me. Because I'm already in the third generation. I'm already 66 years. The parents may be of maybe 30 years or 35 years, just below 30 or 35, that's all. So these kind of parents are also kids to me. So I'm very happy to talk to you people and to all the other people, because talking is my passion. Actually, Purnima was telling about our culture and our tradition and many other things. I would like to put a question to the audience here. Anybody can answer. When you think of your childhood, what is the earliest age or earliest incident, one thing you remember about your childhood? Some people will remember when they are in 5 years, 3 years, 2 years, or anything. Can anybody say that when I was a kid? What is the first thing you remember when you were a kid?
There was an art competition, actually.
No, I want to know the very first thing, earliest thing. Not when you get to know everything. It may even be 3 years or 2 years. First thing you remember.
Because when I was studying first standard, I took place in an art competition. That is the very first memory which I have till now. I used to tell to my kid also.
Okay, what is that? Please share.
That was to paint an Indian flag, our Indian flag. And I got the first prize also. There is a small reason behind it as well. I painted the pole with a perfect brown color. That is why the reason our ma'am gifted me. That is, I was awarded with the first prize. That is the only reason.
Okay.
That is the thing.
Along with that, do you remember what did you do when you got the prize, or what happened, and whom you could relate with that at your home?
That is purely my mother only, ma'am. I could tell it is because of my mother who taught me. She used to teach me with a very perfection, which is what she used to tell me all that. with her guidance, I'm guiding my daughter also now the same way.
Very good. That is the exact point I would like to share with you. Whomever you talk to, whomever you ask, even if it is Modi ji or anybody or an ordinary person or a beautiful girl like Nitya, anybody, whatever they say, they will relate their thinking or success or anything with their mother. Mother is an inseparable person from anybody's life. And there is a father also. You should not, I think, Shakit, you should not be angry with me. Why is it only mother, not father? Here, when you say mother, it goes with father also. Parents, I mean the parents, because the child first is exposed to the mother and father. Of course, to the mother, a little more, because all the time, she comes from, I mean, the child comes from her womb, and the child tends to see her first and be with her more and most. So that is why we say mother tongue. Our country is like mother country, Thai Nadu, Thai Mori. We are attaching the mother to that. So be it 21st century or be it Abhimanyu days, any time, don't tend to teach so many things to the children. What they know is mother, what they know is mother's language. You all know about the Abhimanyu story. Abhimanyu listened to whatever his mother was taught by a rishi, right? So the child first tend to grasp whatever the mother or father knows. That is the child's first exposure. We think nowadays, before the child even, before it is born, you get the admission up to the college level and so many things. But what is, you plan so many, that's all good for the parents. But the first thing we have to remember is, for the child, the mother or father is the first role model. They first take things, they observe things. Whatever they learn, nowadays, even teaching is not much necessary at home. They tend to get everything. They tend to gain everything, even with a Google. That will do for them for everything. Probably they'll start teaching the parents, or they'll start teaching the teacher also. So not much is needed to teach them. What is needed is what you are and what you know and what you part with the kid. When Purnima was introducing me, she was talking about the app we have got for stories and other things. I would like to share something with you. This app, Gurukula, was developed by one Sriram. Actually, he is a software engineer in US. He had been in US for about 20 years. He has got much exposure with everything, but he had a passion towards our Indian traditional culture. When people, now the app is very popular, it has got so many things in the app. And the important thing is, when people ask him, how did you do this? What made you to do this? His immediate reply always would be, my great grandmother taught me all these stories, all these values. Now, for the children, there are no grandparents nearby, no great grandparents nearby. Who will teach? So hereafter, it is going to be the app's world. That is why I would like to bring everything in the app. So that is what he is telling. And I would like to proudly share that he is my son. So this is how the children pick up so many things from home, from the parents, from the grandparents, and everybody. And now is the time everything has come into the app also. So I request the parents first to make yourself rich by whatever you want your child to learn. In other words, let the elders, let the parents, they should learn a lot. Probably for them also it is very difficult. See, when people like Shyam and all, when they develop app, you cannot expect the kid to learn that, kid to open it. And see, they'll be happy to go to YouTube and see other things. But the parents should make it a point to make it a habit every weekend. You open the Worksheet app, show this, show that, talk to them, or give them. See, that is the enthusiasm the parents should have. then only the children will learn, especially up to 5 years. தமிழ்ல சொல்லுவாங்க ஐந்தில் வளையாதது ஐம்பதில் வளையாதுன்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. Why ஐந்தில் வளையாதது? 5 years, before 5 years, whatever is put into the mind of a child will come for the rest of his life till the end. So this is the prime age for the children. So I would like the parents to make a real effort to make them learn so many things, expose them to our Indian tradition, culture, and many things. See, the worldwide education, knowledge, even if you ask 10, 11-year-old kid, he knows where to study, which country he has to go, how he has to go, everything he knows. But what he doesn't know is our Ramayana. He may not know our Panchatantra. So those are the things you have to teach them. So my request is only to the parents that be on a watch, to learn culture, to learn tradition, and always keep telling those things to your children. Thank you very much. Thank you very much for this beautiful opportunity. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much, ma'am. Your words are very true, and this will be a true inspiration for our young mothers today. There are hidden morals which has to be taught in daily life. Dear parents, this is a time you can ask your doubts with the Girija ma'am. Please, if you have something, please write with your hands.
That would be a great thing, because I would like to interact with people. You said that right. Thank you, Nitya.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes. Anything, like you can share anything. You can even share about you, share about your child or whatever it is.
Hi, ma'am.
Hi.
It's great to meet you, see you. And like you said, key morals and the Panchtantra stories and Ramayanas and very important. I totally agree with that. I myself started a Instagram account on that.
Very nice.
People should know the small stories about how our gods and how our, people have been taught that we should worship everything around us, be it a tree, be it an animal, be it anything. So
That's nice.
I got to know about your app. I'll definitely will have to go through it, because this is something I really, want my child to learn.
You put anything for that matter. See, our tradition is a vast tradition. See, now they are doing a storytelling session and exposing the children to that and the parents to that. The simple reason is, it is even there are so many things, not only in the app and other things. If you go to Google, there are so many things, but it is very difficult to bring the parent or the child to the important thing. That is very difficult. So that comes only if you make a habit and start doing it every now and then and periodically. Thank you. Nice talking to you.
Can we move on to the next part of the
Yes,
program?
yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Mm.
Now we are going to the most awaited part of the evening. Voxit's Little Masters Millennium Storytelling Contest began 3 months ago. We also have received a great response. The kids came up with a very imaginative, creative stories. They rendered it very well. And they were selected based on their skills, ability to deliver the stories. And the finalists were selected for the finals. And the winners were selected through a public poll. The child which got a maximum number of votes was selected as a finalist winner, and it was followed by 2 runner-ups. And there are 3 special awards for the kids. And now the 3 kids who are going to receive those special awards, let me call upon them. Miss Neela Janaki Raman, Miss Hansika, and little Kanaya Mukhija. Kids, you did a fabulous work. You gave the stories in a very, very cute way, as a very childish manner. Thank you again. Now I request Mrs. Girija to announce the second runner-up for the category 2.5 years to 3.5-year-olds. Ma'am, can you please announce the name?
So now, so Nitya, you asked me to announce the second runner-up, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Second runner-up for the category 2.5-year to 3.5-year-olds.
Okay. The runner-up's name starts with M and it ends with I. Any guess? Any guess? Can I say that?
Yes, please go ahead.
Yes, ma'am.
Mrinalini. Her name is Mrinalini. Congratulations,
course.
Mrinalini.
Congratulations. That was really a cute story, Mrinalini. I request Mrinalini's parents to share their views, how they feel. Please come up. Ma'am, kindly
Yeah.
announce the first runner-up.
Nice. Yeah. The
Yes, ma'am.
first runner-up go to Krishant.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, take it, Krishant.
Oh, thanks. Thank you, ma'am.
Can we, is
Actually,
Krishant
I'm really,
around?
no, I'm really sorry, ma'am. Actually, he is not available because he has to go outside for
Okay.
a sudden call. Actually, his grandmother is not well. Really
Okay,
sorry.
okay.
I'm really sorry. Actually, if possible, I will make him to meet in another meeting after this.
Oh, that's nice.
I'm so glad that you made it in spite of he not being around. Thank you so much for coming up.
Yeah. Thank you very much.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah, if you can, you tell him this award and you may actually share how he responds to it. We would like to see his.
No, like just give me some moment so that I can ask them to connect if possible. Actually,
Sure. You can ask.
yeah, I can ask them to connect.
Sure. Okay.
Just
Sure.
Yeah.
So shall we go on to the next the winner?
Definitely, ma'am. And we'll go with the small countdown, counting from 5. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And the winner is, please tell.
The winner is Vikashini.
Vivash, you did an awesome work. That was really beautiful.
Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Ah, Vikashini is there.
திவாஷினி அங்க பாருங்க. Hi ma'am, thank you ma'am சொல்லுங்க. Thank you ma'am.
Very nice, very nice.
Thank you very much ma'am. Thank you very much ma'am. Hello?
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. We're able to hear you.
Hi ma'am. வணக்கம் ma'am. வணக்கம் ma'am.
வணக்கம். சொல்லுங்க ma'am.
Come.
ரொம்ப சந்தோஷமா இருக்குங்க மேம். ரொம்ப சந்தோஷமா இருக்குது. என்ன சொல்றதுன்னே தெரியல. ஆக்சுவலி ரொம்ப சந்தோஷமா இருக்கு. ஆக்சுவலி நான் வந்துட்டு குழந்தைக்கு வரல. இது மூலியமா அவங்க அச்சீவ் பண்ணாங்கன்னா இந்த சின்ன வயசுல அச்சீவ் பண்ணாங்கன்றது ரொம்ப சந்தோஷமா இருக்கும் அவங்களுக்கு ஃபியூச்சர்ல சொன்னா கூட. அதனால நான் ரொம்ப எக்ஸ்பெக்ட் பண்ணேன் அவங்க வின்னரா இருக்கணும்னு. மேபி இல்லைனாலும் அவங்க பார்ட்டிசிபேட் பண்ணதுல எனக்கு ரொம்ப சந்தோஷம் தான். நான் அப்படிதான் நினைச்சிட்டு இருந்தேங்க மேம் நானு. ஆனா அவங்க வின் பண்ணாங்கன்றது எனக்கு ரொம்ப ரொம்ப சந்தோஷமா இருக்குங்க மேம்.
Very nice.
Very nice. Thank you. ma'am.
நான் கேட்கலாங்களா
சொல்லுங்க.
மேம்? ஆக்சுவலி நான் இப்போ டூ கிட்ஸ் மதரு. நீங்க வந்துட்டு இவ்வளோ அச்சீவ் பண்ணிருக்கீங்கன்னு சொல்லியிருக்காங்க. ஆனா எப்படிங்க மேம்? ஆக்சுவலி உங்களுக்கு ஃபேமிலி இருந்திருக்கும், பர்சனலா நிறைய நம்ம ஃபேஸ் பண்ண வேண்டியது இருக்கும். வீட்டுல வேலை பிளஸ் குழந்தைங்களை பாக்குற வேலை இருக்கும். பட் நீங்க இவ்வளோ அச்சீவ் பண்ணிருக்கீங்க. உங்களுக்கும் கொஞ்சம் சொன்னீங்கன்னா ஹெல்ப்ஃபுல்லா இருக்குங்க மேம்.
என்ன கேக்குறாங்களா?
உங்களதான்.
ஓகே. ஓ, உங்க பேர் என்னம்மா?
நான் ஒரு குட்டி பப்பா கையில வச்சுட்டு தான் பேசிட்டு இருக்கேன். எனக்கு பேசுறது கூட உங்களுக்கு சரியா கேக்குதான்னு தெரியல. ஸோ நீங்களும் ஃபேமிலி இருந்திருக்கும், குழந்தைங்க இருந்திருப்பாங்க. அதையும் அவங்களையும் மெயின்டைன் பண்ணி இவ்வளோ அச்சீவ் பண்ணிருக்கீங்க. ரியலி அது பெரிய விஷயம். இவ்வளோ விஷயத்துல சாதிக்கிறதுன்றது வந்து.
தேங்க்யூ. உங்க பேர் சொல்லுங்க.
என் பேர் சூர்யாங்க மேம்.
சூர்யா
கணேஷ்.
சூர்யா, இதெல்லாம் ஒரு பெரிய விஷயமே இல்ல சூர்யா. 2 குழந்தைய வளர்க்கறதே ஒரு பெரிய அச்சீவ்மெண்ட் தான். அதனால நீங்க நல்ல விஷயம் தான் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கீங்க. See, இதெல்லாம் வந்து குழந்தையெல்லாம் ஒரு 5 வயசு வரைக்கும் தான் நம்ம வந்து அப்கோர்ஸ் நீங்க சொல்ற மாதிரி நிறைய டைம் நம்ம குழந்தையோட போட வேண்டி இருக்கும். நீங்க ஒர்க்கிங் மதரான்னு தெரியல, நான்லாம் ஒர்க்கிங் மதர் தான். எப்பவுமே வந்து கடிகாரத்தை பார்த்துட்டே தான் இருப்போம் எப்பவுமே.
வந்துட்டு பிறந்தாலும் அப்படியே விட்டாச்சு ஒர்க்க.
வேலையை விட்டுட்டீங்க, அதெல்லாம் தட் இஸ் ஒன் குட் திங். இந்த காலத்து கேர்ள்ஸ் எல்லாம் they are choosing to be with the children and they are spending more time with the children. That's very good. So time management தான். நீங்க காலம்பரேந்து பிளான் பண்ணிட்டீங்கன்னா மோஸ்ட் ஆஃப் தி லேடிஸ் என்ன பண்ணுவாங்க, வேலைக்குள்ளேயே இருப்பாங்க. அவங்களுக்கு வேலையில இருந்து எப்படி வெளியில வருதுன்னே தெரியாது. இந்த வேலையெல்லாம் செய்யறதுக்கு இவ்வளவு டைம் வேண்டவே வேண்டாம். You plan your day. Most of the things are there in your planning only. So நீங்க முதல் நாளே நாளைக்கு 1 மணி நேரம் தான் கிச்சன்ல நான் இருப்பேன், இந்த பாப்பாவோட இத்தனை நேரம் தான் இருப்பேன், பாப்பாக்கு இதெல்லாம் பாப்பாவை வந்து நீங்க டைவர்ட் பண்ணி நிறைய அவங்கள பண்ண வைக்கணும். ஹேண்ட்ஸ் ஆன் பண்ண வைக்கலாம், அப்படி பண்ண வைக்கலாம், அப்படி பண்ண வைக்கலாம். So that they will also learn. You will also spend good time and you will learn many things from the child. In fact, நீங்க ஒரு 4 வருஷம் 5 வருஷம் குழந்தை வளர்க்குறீங்கன்னா அதெல்லாம் அப்சர்வ் பண்ணி ஒரு நோட்ல எழுதி வச்சீங்கன்னா அதை முடிக்கும் போது நீங்க அது ஒரு புக்காவே போடலாம். அப்ப அது எவ்வளவு பெரிய அச்சீவ்மெண்ட். அப்படிதான் ஆரம்பிக்கும். அப்படி யோசிச்சு பார்த்து டயத்தை மேனேஜ் பண்ண ஆரம்பிங்க, எழுதி வச்சுக்கிட்டு வேலை செய்யுங்க. அண்ட் ஐயோ நான் வேலை செய்யறேன்னே நினைச்சுக்காதீங்க. You think that you are the queen of the home and you are born to achieve. You will achieve more things. Congratulations.
நீங்க அப்புறம் இந்த வாக்கிங் டீம்ல வந்துட்டு பூர்ணிமா மேம்னு ஒருத்தவங்க வந்தாங்க, நித்யா மேம், அபிநயா மேம். ஓகே, எல்லாருக்குமே தேங்க்ஸ் பண்ணிக்கிறேன். நீங்களும் அச்சீவ் பண்றீங்க. பூர்ணிமா மேம்க்கும் சொல்றேன், நீங்களும் வந்துட்டு ஒரு வாக்கிங் டீம் மாதிரி ஒரு ஆப் ரன் பண்றதெல்லாம் பெரிய விஷயம் மேம். எங்களால முடியுமான்றது சாத்தியமான்றது தெரியல. பட் வந்துட்டு உங்களெல்லாம் பார்க்கும்போது ஒரு சொல்றது ஒரு நம்மளும் அச்சீவ் பண்ணணும் எப்படின்னு ஒரு மோட்டிவேஷன் கிடைச்சிது. அதுக்கு ரொம்ப ஹெல்ப்ஃபுல்லா இருக்கீங்க நீங்க எல்லாம். அபிநயா மேம், தேங்க்யூ மேம். ஏன்னா நான் உங்ககிட்ட அந்த மெசேஜஸ்ல வந்துட்டு டச்சப்ல இருந்தேன். ரொம்ப தேங்க்ஸ் மேம். ஏன்னா அவங்க அப்ரோச் பண்றதே வந்துட்டு ரொம்ப எப்படி சொல்றது, கேட்கறதுக்கு உடனே வந்துட்டு ரிப்ளை பண்ணுவாங்க, கேட்கறாங்கன்னு வந்துட்டு ஒரு இது பண்ணாம கண்டிக்காம ஆன்சர் பண்ணாங்க. ரொம்ப கைண்டா பண்ணுங்க மேம். நானுமே நினைப்பேன் பரவாயில்ல, கைண்ட் கேட்கறதுக்கு நான் டைம் தான் கேட்பேன். டவுட்டா இருக்கு கேட்கணுமா என்ன நினைப்பாங்களோன்னு. பட் ரொம்ப கைண்டா அப்ரோச் பண்ணுங்க மேம். தேங்க்யூ. பட் நித்யா மேம் உங்களோட ப்ரெசன்டேஷனே ரொம்ப நல்லா இருந்துச்சு மேம், ஹாப்பியா இருந்துச்சு. என்னால ஃப்ரீயா பேச முடியல, பக்கத்துல குழந்தை எழுதிட்டு இருக்கேன், அதனாலதான் படத்துல.
No problem. I think Nitya, I think Krishant is here.
Yes,
Is it
ma'am.
Krishant?
Hi, ma'am.
Oh,
Wow.
congratulations, Krishant.
Congratulations.
Thank you, ma'am.
Can I also see Krishant's mother?
Yes, ma'am.
Hello,
Yeah.
ma'am.
Hello. Welcome. So you must have known that he got the runner-up award.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, just now I heard.
Yeah. So nice. And how did he respond? Did you tell him about it?
Actually, it is a surprise for him. Just now I logged in. After I was hearing in my mobile, and just now I logged in with him. And this is now only he's coming to know about this winner.
Okay. Would you like to share a few words about how you felt in this journey of training your child for the storytelling competition?
Yes, ma'am. Sure. Actually, Krishant வந்து இந்த தமிழ்ல வந்து ஸ்டோரி டெல்லிங் சொல்றது வந்து ரொம்ப
Krishant, I'm sorry to interrupt. கேமரால நீங்க வரல, கொஞ்சம் கேமரா திருப்பி வச்சுக்கோங்க. Your face is not shown in the camera. Can you move it slightly?
Okay. Actually, Krishant வந்து தமிழ்ல ஸ்டோரி டெல்லிங் சொல்றது ரொம்ப பிடிச்ச விஷயம். And this is the first time he is participating in the storytelling competition. He is very much interested. Actually, the result actually வரதுக்குள்ள daily he will be asking what happened, did you get any result, what happened அப்படினு. And only now நான் மொபைல்ல தான் கேட்டிட்டு இருந்தேன் என்ன இதுன்னு. நான் இப்பதான் வந்து கனெக்ட் பண்ணேன். He is very damn happy. See, thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
ரொம்ப அழகா சொன்னீங்க கிருஷாந்த். Thank you.
Yes, Nitya.
Yes, ma'am. And thank you so much, ma'am. All the kids have participated very well. They gave their best. All the participants will be receiving a participation certificate from us. And thanks for the parents who took so much effort to showcase their talents. That is to showcase the budding storytellers. This will be a great inspiration for them. Now I request Mr. Shakti Sachdev to deliver vote of thanks.
All right. Hi, everybody.
Hi, sir.
So, I wanted to say more about Voxit, but I believe everybody who's connected on this video call, everybody is aware what Voxit is.
Shakti, sorry for interrupting. Your video went off.
Oh, I'm so sorry. Is it fine now?
Yes, we are seeing you.
So I'll talk about this competition only. So this competition has been one of the finest experience, I believe, which we have been doing since past few months now. Aside to this, kids these days have grown to another level now. I'll share an incident. It was actually a true incident. So I saw kids playing in the ground, and they were playing football. And after an hour or so, when the match got over, I saw those kids playing football on their mobile phone also. So it's actually for all the parents, and also for people like me who might become parents in the near future. We have to be really educated, and we have to be really aware of what's going on in your kids' mind to understand what talent they actually have. So if we talk about the kids right now who are 4 years, 5 years, 6 years of age, they actually know how to fuse technology with the practical world. So it's actually a blessing in disguise to all the parents out there, that we'll have to learn each and every day. Sometimes we'll have to learn from these little kids, now more of little champs if we talk about. So every parent should consider it a blessing that they have such a talent, they have such talented children, and keep listening to Voxit in short. Thank you so much, everybody, for joining today's session.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. And we are here. We are ending this evening, and I request everybody to rise up in your place for national anthem. So thank you, Shyam. And Purnima, I'll take leave.
Thank you so much for coming and gracing the occasion, Ms. Girija. Nice to have you here.
My pleasure. Nice to get to know you all. Nitya, it was very nice. You did so well. Conducted the program very well.
Ma'am, even I'm your fan, ma'am. I love you. I'm a regular follower of your book, ma'am.
Oh, thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you,
Thanks,
ma'am.
Purnima. That was so nice of you.
My pleasure.
ரொம்ப அழகா எனக்கு வந்து எல்லாம் கேப்சூல் பண்ணி கொடுத்தீங்க. Thank you so much.
My pleasure. Thank you so much, parents.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you.
Thank you, and all the very best, everybody.
Thank you.
Thank you.